Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your YouTube channel name in 2026. First, open YouTube on your computer. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then click YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, click Customization from the left menu. Next, click Profile. Here you can see your current channel name. Enter your new channel name. When you are finished, click Publish. That's it. Your YouTube channel name has been changed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple YouTube tips.